Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Now we have to find a special number which is called build number, and let's start with entering the version. We will try to find it here. As you can see, it is at the top of the list. So now all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode, and now we can go back to the general list of the settings to find those options. In order to do that, we have to enter additional settings which are right above the About device. So let's tap on it, and here at the very bottom, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the developer options. So let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can enable the strict mode, we can show layout bounds, manage the no working, because here in this section we've got Bluetooth options, USB, Wi-Fi, and the network overall. So basically we've got a lot of options to customize, as you can see, and they work the same just like in the regular settings. So if you want to turn on the option, simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied, and of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, most of the options will be invisible and also inactive, which means that we cannot really customize it, and the developer options should disappear from this list of additional settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping to activate it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.